Hi friends, myself Sahil Davda, and in today's video I'm going to personally give my memory demonstration and give you all the information about memory championships. So, I meet many new peoples every day and all of them have a common question to ask me, that Sahil sir, what do you do with your memory, or what are memory championships? So, in this video I'm going to give all the answers to that question, and in this video I'm going to give my personal demonstration of memory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recall the first 50 values or the first 50 digits of the equation pi. So here I've got my memory workbook, and here I've got my cell phone in which I'm going to start a stopwatch, and I'm going to check how fast can I memorize this 50 digits of pi value. So let's start. So I've memorized them and I've took 31 seconds, 51 microseconds. So let's check how fast can I recall them. I'm gonna turn around. I do not have anything in my ears. I do not have anything in the backside. I'm simply gonna turn around and start the stopwatch and start recalling. One four one five 92653589793238 46266433327950. So the time I took to recall this was 17.08 seconds. Actually, I took a whole lot of time, as when I'm training myself, I do it really very fast. And next we talk about my memory master system and the championship training. So along with a memory expert, I'm a memory coach too. My signature event memory master system contains some of the 30 techniques which helps any student of any grade or any stream to boost up their academic performance by memorizing things very easily, quickly, and recall them anytime they want. You can call my team anytime on the number given below, and you can connect to me personally to grab information about Memory Master System. So let's answer the question which I'm asked almost daily by hundreds of people. What are memory championships? Memory championships are events which are held at Gujarat level, national level, international level, and world level in once a year, and where athletes from around the globe come and compete their memory in some of the 10 disciplines. And the 10 disciplines are as follows. First comes the binary digits. You might have seen those computer languages 1101011101. The memory athletes needs to memorize them. Then comes the fictional dates. You might have gone through the pain of memorizing the historical dates along with their events. The memory athletes also memorize them in the fastest time possible. Next comes the random images. We are given 5 images in a row and 10 rows in a page. We need to memorize as many images, as many rows as possible in 5 minutes. Next comes the long cards. What are long cards? You might have seen my WhatsApp profile pictures. I keep my WhatsApp profile pictures of playing cards. So we memory athletes need to memorize the sign and the number of the deck of cards, as many decks as possible in just 10 minutes, and recall them on a piece of paper in 15 minutes. Next comes the speed cards. The speed cards is the same discipline such as long cards, but the memorization time over here is 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we need to set a properly arranged deck of cards into the same sequence which we memorized. Then comes the long numbers. The long numbers is a 15-minute discipline where a whole lot of numbers are given, such as binary. We need to memorize them in 15 minutes and recall them on a piece of paper in 30 minutes. We need to memorize as many digits as possible. Then comes the speed numbers. The speed numbers is the same event as the long numbers. Simply no changes, only the memorization times deducts to 5 minutes. Next comes the spoken numbers. The spoken numbers is a quite difficult discipline where speakers do their work by calling out one number per second, and athletes need to memorize them. These numbers are something like this.
0, 5, 0, 5. 6, 0, 3, 3.
This is something like spoken numbers, right? This event happens 2 times. One is 100 seconds, which becomes 100 digits, 1 digit per second. Then comes the 400 digits, which happens in 400 seconds. Next comes the random words. The random words is the discipline in which round about 160 or 170 words are presented in the bunches of 20, and athletes need to memorize as many words as possible in 5 minutes. Then comes the names and faces. The names and faces is the discipline in which names are presented above that, faces are presented, and athletes need to memorize the names along with their faces in 5 minutes, as many faces, as many names they can, and recall them on a piece of paper where faces are presented, but they need to write the names and their surnames. So this was all about Memory Championship. If you want to enter the memory sports and compete with memory athletes around the globe, then you can mail me at the email address provided on the screen right now, or you can call my team anytime for the information about memory championships. So you might think, this is so boring and why should I waste my time in memorizing things and recalling them on a piece of paper? But the person who is actually sitting and memorizing these, there's a lot whole going in his mind. And along with it, if you participate in a memory championship, in an Indian memory championship, you get a certificate of participation by the Indian Memory Sports Council. And if you perform among the best 3 of all the athletes, you get the medals of bronze, silver and gold category. Let me know in the comment box about your interest in the memory championship, and do contact us at the number provided on the screen right now. You can also visit my web for the more information about memory championships. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video among your community, among your group, and do comment about your interest in the memory championships. Thank you.